Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jamie.
And my name is Jordan. And today we're going to be showing you guys how to clean out a rifle barrel properly. And to do that you need the right tools. And so what I did anyway to make it easier is I just got a starter kit. And that usually runs about 40 bucks or so. And so that gets you pretty much all the calibers that you need. And this is just kind of what I got here. I don't know if you can see it, but it shows all the calibers there. Because I know I need one for a 12 gauge and a 270 and a 20 and a 12 gauge too. And so it shows right on the back of the box here.
And the brand is Hops 9.
Yep. That's a good brand for oil cleaning for guns. Basically, your kits will kind of look like this basically. Just all assortments of the bristles here and the rod for your barrel.
Whoopsies!
And then you got the pads too underneath them, so that's what you'll be putting down the barrel to clean it. And the bristles are to help kind of get everything in between there all taken out too. And you got your assortment of oil here too. This is what you'll be putting on the pads. Number 9.
It's just a nice beginner cleaning kit. It's all basic. And Jordan's going to show you how to clean your gun here. I'm learning with you guys because I don't know how to clean a gun either. So this will be good for me to watch, learning with you guys.
So to start off with, you can grab your rods here and it'll be hooked up to the end with the handle. And you can use all of them just to be safe, so that way you can have the length of your barrel too. That's what you're going for, so you can get the whole entire barrel cleaned out, because you'll want it to come out at the end, so that way the cloth can drop out on the outside of it. And once you get that all finished, then you'll put on the jag. And it's got a needle there too, and that's where the cloth will go through. You spin that in on the end there. Then you take your cloth, kind of put it right in the middle. And you just poke it through the needle there. You just want it to basically cover all the, basically be like that. Whoop. Once it gets oil on there, it'll kind of weigh it down. And then the next step that I do before I get any further is make sure your gun is unloaded. You don't want to be doing this with a loaded gun for sure. So that shows it's unloaded. And then next, depending on your rifle, this one here, it's got the little clip here, and you're going to take the bolt action all the way out. And so to do that, you pull in on the trigger, and you push down this button at the same time, and then it just comes out of here, just like that. And my next process would be to oil the end of the cloth. douse it with some gun oil here. You'll put it right down your barrel like so. Keep pushing it slowly, and then eventually you're going to see it come out at the end of the barrel here. There it is.
Also, we have a video right here on the card on 10 interesting facts about a deer that if you guys want, you can go watch that.
And then there's also another option too that you can do is use the bristle brush also. You just put that around the bristle like so. You'll take this end piece off that you're using. Apply it the same way, right to the bolt action. And I'll go right to the end there. There we go. See how dirty that is.
This is a white,
Yep.
nice clean one.
And then after that you'll...
Oh, make sure too that you put your lid on your oil, because that's what Jordan did. He dropped it and it spilled everywhere.
Yep. Learn from my mistakes, everybody. And then you'll just bring her back through. Just like so. And then you'll want to put a dry one through just to see how dirty it is still. And if you need to apply more gun oil, so let's take another sheet. Stick it onto the bristles. Alright, and then once you get that all cleaned up, and you just kind of look down the barrel, make sure you can see the outside and nothing, it's all shiny. And it's just so. So I got it all cleaned out there. Looks good. And now to get the bolt action back in, you just basically repeat the same process. Just get it back in there. You squeeze the trigger, and you press that button right there all the way down, and then you just slide it back in. Well, there you have it, guys. The simple way of cleaning a rifle barrel.
Also, make sure to hit the like button and share this video with others in your family and your friends. We'd really appreciate that. Our mission is to inspire others to get outdoors and do something that they love to do. So we hope you guys can get outside and do something. And we also have everything linked down below that we have used in the video here with the cleaning kit, and also of what we use in the field for hunting. And if you would like, you guys can go shop that so it can help you guys in the field as well. And so you guys can get yourself also a good, reasonable priced cleaning kit. We will see you guys in the next video. And remember, get outdoors.